All right, here we are. Tomato harvest is upon us, as well as some cucumbers, some mini bell peppers, the rest of the cucumbers, and then this is mustard, and that's at least twice as much as either of the two previous harvests. So I'm excited about that. Give you guys a quick look around. Still so many tomatoes. They're literally everywhere. Huge clusters. And even huge tomatoes. Give you a perspective here, if I can. It's giant. The cucumbers might be winding down. We tried to trim all the dead stuff off of them last time. It does seem to be spreading a little. We had a bird in here again this week. Luckily it was pretty easy to get out. Flew out on its own. Not really sure how they're getting in here. If so, we'd close it up. This lettuce is about to bloom. That's exciting. Might start harvesting cauliflower seeds next time if they look dried out. They're getting huge, like green beans. Let's see if I can't show you that. Quite a bit bigger than the mustard. I don't remember the seeds being that much bigger, but maybe they were. These guys still look like they're trying. Harvested plenty of mustard. Showed you that. And then these guys are so bushy. But that's a quick look. See you guys next time.